Meantime, we're going to turn to one of the most popular athletes in America, golfer Phil Mickelson, caught in the crosshairs of a federal insider trading investigation, along with a legendary investor and a big-time Vegas gambler. Mickelson, playing in a tournament this weekend, says he's done nothing wrong.
This is quite a story, and ABC's Rebecca Jarvis is here with more. Rebecca, good morning.
Dan and Bianna, good morning to you. And if Phil Mickelson was at all rattled as he teed off at that tournament in Ohio Saturday, he hit it very well. This morning, new details are emerging about the insider trading investigation.
Pro golfer Phil Mickelson, known for winning the Masters 3 times, this morning in the spotlight for another reason. The FBI and SEC confirmed to ABC News they are pursuing an insider trading probe involving Mickelson, Las Vegas gambler William "Billy" Walters, and outspoken billionaire investor Carl Icahn. The investigation centers on trades made by Mickelson and Walters, a golf course owner and poker buddy of Icahn. A source briefed on the probe says both men traded Clorox stock in late 2011, just as Icahn was mounting an attempt to take over the company. Now, officials want to know if Icahn shared information related to the failed bid with Walters and whether Walters passed along that information to Mickelson.
I have done absolutely nothing wrong, and that's why I've been fully cooperating with the FBI agents, and I'm happy to do so in the future, too.
Icahn telling the New York Times that to suggest he did anything wrong is, quote, irresponsible. Billy Walters had no comment. Experts say determining exactly what information Mickelson and Walters were given is crucial.
It's not a crime to trade stocks based on a tip you got from your buddy on the golf course. Now, if you know that somebody's giving you information who's not supposed to be giving it to you and you trade on that, that's insider trading.
Past probes of high-profile investors have been infamously complicated. In 2004, Martha Stewart served 5 months in a federal prison for obstruction of justice and conspiracy tied to an insider trading scandal. She later settled with the SEC over civil charges.
ABC News has learned no arrests here are imminent, and investigators are simply gathering evidence at this point. Sources say investigators are keenly aware of the high burden of proof, but they want the public to understand that they take these allegations of insider trading very seriously. Obviously, nobody wants to think that the game is rigged, and this is important to that.
But why is it, again, so hard to prove insider trading?
Because you not only have to prove that there were conversations about the trades, but you have to prove that they knew, that they knowingly traded on inside information.
And we know that Carl Icahn, as you know, is a very outspoken figure on Wall Street, not one to be shy from going on the TV, so I'm sure we're going to be hearing from him very soon in the days and weeks ahead. His tweets, yes, and his rants, yes, that too. Always fascinating. Thank you, Rebecca.
Thanks, guys.
Thanks, Rebecca.